Hi guys, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. This is week 4, episode 3 of Dee Dee's 3 in 15 challenge, where we are making pockets and bags and things to add to our journals. So we're kind of stockpiling embellishments and things. Dee Dee is doing all Christmas theme, and I am just kind of using whatever I have. So I will link Dee Dee's playlist for the challenge in the description box below. She is compiling all of the challenge videos that she's doing and that everyone else is doing, because there are a bunch of people participating. If you would like to participate and you want to do videos or just post pictures on Instagram, there is a hashtag for the challenge and you can find it in the title of this video. So today we are decorating glassine bags, and I will give you my bag measurements here in just a minute. I have already pre-cut my paper because I'm a cheater like that. And so yeah, I'm just inking it up real quick here. And let's see, let me go ahead and, oh, I think I need a new thingy on my ink dauber. All right, my bags are approximately 6 3/4 inches by almost 4, probably 3 and I don't know, 7/8. This is an antique ruler that I am in love with, but you know, it only has 1/2 inch markings, so I have to guess when I use it. So I cut my paper to fit, and we're gonna go ahead and glue the paper on, and then I have some of Tracy Fox's little label thingies here that will just sort of decorate them up a little bit. Dee Dee, hers, she used a Christmas tree die cut. I didn't have anything that, you know, kind of worked die cut wise, so I thought, well, labels are nice. So I'm just gonna glue the large piece to the front of the bag, like so. Try to straighten that up a little bit. And then the small piece, I'm not sure if Dee Dee did this or not. I'm gonna make mine a belly band. Like that. Simple. So we'll do all of them and then we'll go back and decorate. So I hope you guys are having a good day. It is Friday in your world, so I hope you're looking forward to the holiday weekend. I'm sort of looking forward to it, and then also not, because I'm worried that there will be more fireworks, and Oscar still hasn't recovered from the 4th of July. So, you know, yeah, I'm sort of worried about that, but what are you gonna do? There's not much that can be done, I guess. We'll just hope and pray that maybe there won't be any this for Labor Day. I know our town isn't doing any this year, which is good. They did them last year and he freaked out. He was just a little guy then. So we don't have to worry about like big displays, but you know, just little people, you know, setting them off at their house is bad enough. he still doesn't want to go outside after dark. Oh, the poor guy. He's my special needs pupper. And I love him. And then Pixie is just, you know, nothing phases her at all. She doesn't care. She's just like, whatever. I guess it's good that we don't have two that are, you know, super exhausting. All right, let's put the stopper in the Fabri-Tac because I'm done with that for now. Alrighty. There we go. Now we could just stop here, and they are adorable, right? But I think we'll go ahead and add some things. Trying to, oh, I like that there. This little bee. Add him here. Cute. Look at that. Ah, oh, that is precious. I love that. That's my favorite. That's my favorite. Okay. Let's see. What else do we have here? We have this little violin. No, I don't think that works. What about, what else do we have here? Not everything that can be counted counts, and not everything that counts can be counted. I like that. That's nice. Little Einstein quote. Try and center that a little bit. Very cute. Very cute. Love it. All right, and one more, and then we're done. This was a quick one, guys. Let's see. Of course, it might take me 20 minutes to find the label that I want to put on here. Nope, I'm good. I found it. Woohoo. I guess I'm making decisions quick today. I should take advantage of that and get some stuff done, right? Yeah, alrighty. Awesome. All right, guys, that's week 4 in the books. Nice. All right, cool. Let me put this away and then I'll show them all to you. Let's see here. All righty, there we go. We have 3 little glassine bags with a little belly band in the front. Let me see if I can find something here to tuck in, like so. And then you've got your bag, and then you could make it a side tuck or a top pocket or not at all, whichever you prefer. There we go, guys. All right, I hope that this was inspiring. Please go check out Dee Dee's playlist, and you can find all of my videos for the challenge at the end. It'll pop up on the screen here somewhere. And you can go check them all out if you haven't seen them yet. And give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and hit that subscribe button. I'd love for you to stick around. All right, guys, I hope you have a fabulous weekend, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.